Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to use a promo code on GrabFood, then this will for you. So if you have a promo code just like this, then you have to make sure first that you are actually on their GrabFood application, or also you can use their browser. So when you are on their application or browser, then you have to make sure that you log into your account or register for a new one. And the most important thing is make sure that you have made all the promotion conditions from here. That here you can see the condition from here. Now follow all the conditions and make sure you have maintained all the terms and conditions for the promo code, and then you have to choose the food. And whenever you are going to try to check out a food from here, like simply click on that food and you have to add the destination where you want to get the delivery. And when you are going to check out for that food, there you can find a promo code section. Then you can add the promo code that you want to redeem for a discount. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.